Am I centered? Am I centered? Intro. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Carmina Kae and I'm back with a video. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I just got off work and I came to my studio apartment and I realized I haven't been here much. Like I haven't been here at all due to just being a college student. I haven't really slept here, honestly. With that being said, I'm going to share with you allergies, bro. With that being said, I'm going to share with you my cleaning routine or what I do to clean my small studio apartment. And yeah, let's go into these nasty befores and then I'll show you how I clean my apartment. Alright, right here you need garbage cans, you need sponges, Mr. Clean stuff for your bathroom. These are some Swiffer, Swifer thingies for your floor. Make sure the air smells good. I like these pumpkin ones and the cranberry ones. All-purpose cleaner, and make sure you got a little spray for a good smelling one. This is the one I like, Clorox, fantastic. And make sure you always put your shit away because honestly, you need to. So this is the overview of my messy student studio apartment. Yeah, I had some clothes, I didn't take out the trash. This is like my stuff, like, you know, when I'm just getting ready. And then I haven't washed the dishes. Guys, I haven't been here in like 2 weeks. I literally just, I'm here to change. Literally, like that's how little I've been here. And I've just been, you know, I got ready this morning apparently. Reminder to wear your sunscreen. There's me, hi. And then that's my bathroom that I'm gonna clean later. You guys, I'll film a shower routine soon, featuring those products. Let me know if you guys are interested or if you guys like those type of videos. And then, oh, there's my ring light. Oh, and there's me. Okay. Ooh, girl, I'm going hella fast. But yeah, basically, first thing you want to do is just clean up all your mess. Like, get organized. Put your dirty clothes with the dirty clothes, clean clothes with clean clothes. And, oh, now I'm sweeping. Make sure you move, like, all this stuff around to get all the dirt. And then, after this, you want to make sure you're getting every area. So, my kitchen is at the other end. And now we're sweeping it up. And yeah, make sure you get the bathroom too. I didn't really get to film this part, but I'm going in the bathroom, sweeping that up, making sure I move all the stuff around. Some of you guys are lazy to do that, and I'm calling you guys out, and you guys need to move your stuff. And oh my god, you guys, just sweeping took a really long time, and it's kind of late outside, it's just late in general, so sorry if the lighting is always changing. And yeah, but I'll show you my bathroom. Yeah, I usually just take out all the carpet and stuff. After I move everything out of the way, those are my bathroom mats right there. Sweep, and then I go in again with my mop. And you guys, this is wood, fake wood. I don't know what you call it, but it's like fake wood, and it's kind of hard to mop. So yeah, but I'm gonna have to do it, and then I'm gonna have to spray even more stuff because again, it's been a while since I been here, so I really want to deep clean it. I'm gonna use the Clorox, something right there, some pop-up. Okay, so I just mopped everything and I added my rugs back. Oh, I added my rugs back in. Now, what I would typically do is, okay, let me just open that window because it's about to get hot in here. So now I gotta clean the tile. I gotta put all of that like in my sink. Why do I need to do that? Because I don't have any other where to put it. What you're gonna need for this when you have a small place is a few things. You'll need toilet bowl cleaner. This is the one that I am using, the Clorox. It has bleach in it. It's your choice on what you want. This is from the dollar store. Awesome. And this is the Clorox. Yeah, that was the Clorox I showed you guys earlier. Just I have a different one for my bathroom. So you start by taking everything off, and now you're gonna just spray this whole shower up. Make sure you put on some gloves, and you want to make it sit. So that's why I'm doing my toilet right here. I already put the toilet bowl cleaner in it. So yeah, that's how you multitask and try to make your job easier. And then I'm going in with a Clorox wipe and a towel. Wow, this thing is really fast. Okay, so yeah, I'm just wiping it down. Make sure you put on your gloves. I'm coming in with that Mr. Clean scrubby thing. Hi, you guys. It's so much later at night. I'm just gonna explain to you guys what I do after I do my bathroom stuff. So I usually do the order of the way I clean things is living room, bathroom, and then kitchen. So kitchen involves doing the dishes. Obviously there's some dishes I still need to clean, and then obviously I do this every week or every couple days, just depending on what it is. My fridge, and I'm gonna clear it out. I already did it, but I just want to show you the before and after. It's like I throw out everything. So like I'll throw out anything that's expired. I'll go over all my sauces, or like I feel like especially sauces like this one's due in September 8th. Like if you have like more fresher sauces like this, you're gonna throw it out. And this is a Lush face mask that is a day expired, and I'm still gonna use it because I really want to use it. And just little stuff like this. Like this is like a Wingstop ranch that I need to throw out. And then I threw out all my vegetables that were expired or that were basically done. And then yeah, I'm pretty much as you can see, I'm in college because I'm broke and there's nothing in the fridge. But yeah, ooh, I gotta eat these grapes, yo. But yeah, oh guys, look at this. I always like to have these in stock. The LaCroix Hella Bomb. These dishes right here, this is the soap that I like to use. I always like to use any antibacterial soap, and I like the Dawn brand. I love that this one smells like apples. And then also I always like to have a hand soap and a dish soap because I don't like going back and forth between my bathroom and my kitchen. I will go in with this little guy right here, spray it down, and then wipe it with a paper. Wipe it with a paper towel, or I will wipe the countertop with the disinfectant wipes. I'll go ahead and throw out the trash and then spray the room with this, or whichever one I'm feeling like. But basically, I'm done with cleaning my little studio. I do like a deep clean. I think this is my version of a deep clean. I just wanted to show you how I clean my little studio apartment because I know there are students out there who may not know what products to get or like how to clean properly just because they don't know how yet. But yeah, I really hope you guys found this video cool, informative, or whatever, and just overall liked it. So go ahead and leave a comment down below what was your favorite part, and I'll see you in the next one. We out. Bye.